The future of food is here, and it's digital. Ghost kitchens are transforming the $900 billion restaurant industry, and people like you can cash in on this revolution. Introducing the Ghost Kitchen Startup Online Course. Based on the Amazon book, The Ghost Kitchen Startup Bible, by J.M. Spiegel, and presented by Culinary Clouds. When you enroll, you don't just get video lessons. You get a complete startup package, the full online course with step-by-step training, the audiobook version of the Ghost Kitchen Startup Bible, a professional website with 1 year of free hosting, logos, branding artwork, and digital marketing tools, a premium account on feedmenow.com, plus a Sendio autoresponder account to power your customer list. Why should you sign up for this course? The ghost kitchen industry is one of the fastest growing sectors in food and tech. Unlike other courses, the Ghost Kitchen Startup Online Course shows you how to avoid the pitfalls that cause many ghost kitchens to fail in their first year. And with our exclusive Ghost Kitchen Gurus podcast, students get continuing education, real-time updates, and insider strategies on software, automation, and management tools. So you're always ahead of the competition. The future of restaurants is here, and so is your opportunity to profit. Ghost kitchens are the future of food, and your future profits are waiting.